What's up, guys? Today we are in the lab and we are just gonna be shooting. Ooh. Ah, this is what I have to say about that. Guess what? These guys are just ragdolls. I don't have to go easy on them. About time. Come on, get up out of the floor. Sorry, I'm gonna have to take away your friend. Nope. Okay, I have one. We're gonna put him in the trash where he belongs. What happened? Oh! Good thing he's not the health department. And health department will not like this. This guy was supposed to be a lucky winner. Ooh. First off, calm down. No, I didn't. Oh no, you stop moving. You're gone, aren't you? Yep, he's out. Hey, what did you do to Bob? I didn't do nothing. Hey, yeah. I got him out of the ground. Hey, where is he going? To the prize room. This part is where you know who. Anyways, we got stuff to do, things to say. Stop making that noise, or else I'll put you in one of the cell gates. You were actually one of the lucky people to even get out. What do you plan on doing with me? Things. Whoa! I'm okay. What the? Bob? This can't be right. You know, I'm fine. You're going in one of the cell gates. Oh. You should have ran when you had that chance. Now look at you. You're in imprisonment. In this imprisonment, I will never let slide. You want to see Bob? Yes. You know how your foot keeps getting stuck? Yeah. Get on the ground. That's him. You killed Bob. That's right. That's what I'm about to do with you. No, I don't want to fall. You should have thought about that before you kept getting stuck. I'm stuck. Help. Help. You're too weak to do anything, aren't you? Come on. It's time for you to admit defeat. Never. I'm stuck in the ground. Yeah, but you're also not glued to the ground. What? Oh! Now it's time to go kill your other friend. What's up? Ow! Oh, great. You're just like them. An annoying little what the? Don't you headbutt me. Man, I'm sorry. Look, man, what did I just... Tell me, please, what did I win? You wanna know what you won? What? Death. Wait, what? Is that what Bob and John did? Well, I forget his name. You're coming with me. Yeah, no, I stabbed John. Or whatever you call him. I would just call him Rob for the time being. Yeah. What the? You stabbed him! He's dead! You think? Who do you think is next? What the? No! Just lay down. Take a few deep breaths for me. What? No! I guess you were the one who shot us. Ow. Oh, God! Yeah, it hurts. What do you think you guys did to me? Nothing. No one is coming to save you. Now I have things to do. Yeah, like what? Nope. This is torture, not some sort of punishment. Yeah, it is torture. Oh! Stop doing this to me! I never, ever. Guess who's behind you? Nobody. Oh! I can't. Yeah, exactly. You can't or you shouldn't. Doctor's orders. You're not going anywhere. This is what I have to say. What do you have to say? Ugh. Yo, Kyle, did you finish? Did you give them their price? What happened here? Why are they all dead? Well, you said I could give them any prize I wanted, so I never really liked them, so I killed them. You know, you can get fired for that stuff, right? Really? Since when? Look, they're done. Like, what is literally stuck in the toxic ground? And one got stabbed in the head, by the looks of it. And that one, it looks like you punched with the super gloves. Yeah, I did. Watch. Kyle, stop! He's done. Yeah, and you are too. What? Just stay where you are. I'm done after one hit. Just kill me already. Okay, bye. Oh, hey, Kyle. Hey, what? Why did you kill them? Like, cool. What the no? Let's do it. You told me you wanted to go viral by working at a laboratory. Dying is a good way to get viral. killing everybody. I'm good. With a sledgehammer of all things? Nope. You know that little trick don't work on me. Yeah, it does. Watch. Told ya. Maybe there's some other way we could solve this propagation. No, there isn't. Well, shucks. It looks like it's the end of this one. It was a pretty fun roleplay, let's be honest. Sorry, I can't make my body visible right now. But, yeah, you know what I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, bye, bye! Oh, I forgot he was dead.